Introducing Odoo, the all-in-one business management platform designed for the modern world. With a sleek modern interface, smart automation, and powerful AI-driven features, Odoo transforms the way businesses operate. From startups to enterprises, everything works together in one seamless ecosystem. Manage your entire sales journey with Odoo CRM and Sales. Capture leads, track opportunities, schedule follow-ups, and close deals faster with an intuitive pipeline system. Generate professional quotations instantly and convert them into sales orders with just one click. Sell everywhere with Odoo e-commerce and point of sale. Build stunning online stores, manage products, process payments, and track customers effortlessly. And for retail businesses, Odoo POS delivers a smooth in-store experience with real-time inventory synchronization. Online and offline sales, fully connected. Take control of inventory and purchasing with precision. Track stock in real time. Automate replenishment, manage suppliers, and streamline procurement workflows. With Odoo, every product movement is visible instantly. For manufacturers, Odoo provides complete production control. Manage bills of materials, work orders, quality checks, production planning, and manufacturing operations from a single platform. Reduce delays, increase productivity, scale efficiently. Odoo Accounting simplifies finance with intelligent automation. Invoices, expenses, payments, and financial reports are connected automatically. And now, with AI-powered capabilities, businesses can work smarter, faster, and more efficiently than ever before. When a sale happens, inventory updates automatically. Invoices are generated instantly, and accounting entries are created in real time. Odoo also focuses heavily on usability and efficiency. Its modern interface is designed for speed and simplicity. And now, with built-in AI features, it helps businesses make smarter decisions faster. From suggestions to automation, AI is becoming a core part of Odoo. And that's where Cybrosys comes in. At Cybrosys Technologies, we help businesses successfully transform with Odoo. We provide Odoo implementation, customization, migration, user training, technical support, and complete business solutions tailored to your workflow. Whether you're a startup or a growing enterprise, Cybrosys helps you unlock the full power of Odoo. One platform, one intelligent ecosystem, unlimited business possibilities. Odoo. Cybrosys, your official Odoo partner, transforms your business today.